This is the easiest strategy you'll use to get some good setups, some profitable setups in the market. And actually, if you follow this, you'll be able to get profitable in the long run, guys. So watch up the end, you'll benefit or you get something today. So now with this, first of all, we said we first identify the market bias. Where is the market trading? Is it bearish? Is it bullish? Or it is in the range? How do we identify a bullish market? Identifying a bullish market is by indicating higher highs and higher lows. If the market is breaking highs, that means we are in a bullish market. If the market is breaking lows, means we are in a bearish market. So now here, as you can see, yes, this market was kind of bullish, but it reached here. We are going to consider the current market structure, guys, okay? So now it was kind of bullish, but it reached here and it became bearish, as you can see here. When you see here, you will see that the market was kind of bearish here. When it reached here, it broke this low, as you can see. Means after the market breaking this low, yes, it became bearish, right? So also after that, you will see that we are also considering this low here, right? So after market breaking this low, we shall also consider it to be another bearish move. So after market breaking that low, you will see that after market breaking this first low, you will see that it came all along up this side and it sold on our we can call it on our supply zone, guys, right? You can see here where the market reached right there, it just made a massive sell. So those who really took this trade, they really benefited. So let's see how the market will move after. Let's see whether it will break our next low, and we see how we can really enter the market. So now, as you can see, instead of market coming down and breaking our low, rather it just made a market structure shift right here. Okay, so now it just made a market structure shift, right? So as you can see right here, when the market makes a market structure shift, or most of them call it a change of character, so what do we do here? We pull out our fib. We first wait for kind of a retracement, and we pull out our fib tool and we see what to do. But let's first see how the market behaves. So as you can see here, the market has started giving us a retracement, guys. So after identifying a retracement in the market, what do? We just pull out our fib tool and see how it will move. You place it from this high up this low here, okay? Then you indicate your 50%, or here we want to buy in the discount, right? We want to buy in a discount, guys, and below 50 fib level, that's our discount level. You can wait for the market to come below that. Then below, you can see, you can actually identify some fair value gaps in order blocks, which the market will come in and fill, okay? So remember, the market cannot move steady. It has taken out some liquidity, and this fair value gap, they hold a lot of liquidity, and these order blocks, they really hold a lot of liquidity, guys. So we are going to wait for the market to come to our fair value gaps, and we see how this market will really behave, guys, right? So let's wait and see. As you can see, the market just came off first fair value gap, though it didn't make us like the market didn't give us any confirmation to enter the trade. Remember, we also in our discount level, right? Okay, so now after the market coming to our next fair value gap, you will see you put your stop loss right here. Then okay, yes, of course our TP will be like right there, okay? It is a 1 to 3 trade. But unfortunately, you can see what the market did, guys, right? So after that, you can see that the market, rather, it just gave us, yes, I wanted you to see this, right? I wanted you to see that not all the time that you'll get the profits in the market. Rather, you have to consider always risk to reward ratio. Now you can see here, right? You can see that instead of the market moving, it just came it just came and made another low. It broke this low which was resting here and made another low, okay? So now, yes, it made another low, and now after that, you can also pull out your fib tool and find the premium, right? So now we shall sell from premium, guys. Some fair value gaps also, they're right there. Yes, the market would just come there because they can act as our liquidity. Then there is also this fair value gap, right? There is this order block also the market might use. There's this fair value gap right here. Okay, so now we shall wait for our market to come to one of them, right? So let's see. Yes, as you can see, it is in our first fair value gap. Yes, but it used it as liquidity. Then we are waiting for it to go to our next fair value gap, or else we also have an order block up here. So you can also indicate our order block right here, or you can call it a supply zone, right? It is also a supply zone, those who trade supply and demand, right? So let's see. As you can see, the market is just playing at our second fair value gap, right? Right, so it just gave us a confirmation right there. So someone would just enter the market after that confirmation, guys. Okay, so there's this confirmation that the market gave us here, right? And here you can also, guys, get confirmation from a lower time frame like M15 or M5, right? You can always get confirmations from your lower time frame if you're not swinging. But these setups, most of them, they are swing trades, right? So here you actually target any order block of fair value gap that is down. Okay, so as you can see here, as you can see that always your TP will be it will be targeted, or it will be, we shall target a fair value gap or order block, right? So let's see another move. Now we have this low which is resting here. Okay, so it either breaks that low or it goes up, so anything can really work. Okay, so now the order block just became our liquidity, guys. Okay, so now it just came, then it broke another low, guys, right? So always just know that if you really follow market structure, these trades will be easy for you, guys, right? So the market didn't give us any confirmation from there. That's why we just waited for the break of this low. Okay, so now after that break, yes, we want to sell. We want to sell from premium, guys. Okay, we want to sell from premium. So let's first see. After giving us some retracement, yes, the market has given us some retracement. We want to sell from premium. Okay, so after the market coming to our premium, that's when we want to sell. Okay, yes, so let's see. As you can see, yes, the market is giving us some market structure shift. As you can see, yes, instead of the market giving us a confirmation on our order blocks, rather it just made another break. Okay, another market structure shift here after taking out the downer liquidity, guys, right? So it just made another market structure shift here, guys. So always the market has to give you what to do. You trade what you see, but don't trade. Actually, don't just enter the trade, rather just trade what you see, guys, right? So as you can see here, there is a structure shift. Okay, so now we're waiting for some retracement before you can enter the market. Okay, as you can see now, the retracement is coming. Now you see. So just know the market can always turn from order blocks or from fair value gaps. It can turn from anywhere, right? As you can see there, it just used the fair value gap to turn there. Then now you can see there is this break, right? There's this break of structure right here. It has made a new break of structure. Is right there. That means also we shall do what? We shall buy from discount, right? So here you wait for the retracement has started, then you wait for it to come in a discount before actually you can buy it. Okay, yes, as you can see, the market just came to our discount, guys, right? So there's some order blocks here that you can use to turn around, right? So as you can see now, the market is just yeah. After that, after giving us confirmation on our order block right there, so you can just enter the market from right here. Okay, then finally the market moves up when it taps our TP right there. Okay, so now this is the same thing you can do. You can wait always for this high to either be, you can wait for that high to either be broken or anything else, right? So you always trade what you already see. Okay, as you can see now, the high is really broken, right? It has made another new high. Okay, means we are still buying this market. So when you really follow this strategy, it is really works. Okay, so always manage your risk and always trade what you already see and do master it. It will really help you to catch some profitable setups and get some profits in the long run, guys, right? So hope this video has helped you. Consider subscribing, giving a like to this video. This is Jimmy Mr. 7. Goodbye.